gotta do what you love, and work hard at everything you do, and you just never know where life is gonna take you. So always give your best.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is a beautiful day, and I have a lovely love story which is full of love, inspiration, motivation, and all that to share with you. Yes, so you know the little drill. If you have not yet subscribed, please press that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos, and like and share this video. So without any further ado, let us get right into the video. Today I would like to share with you the story of Shevon Stoddart Nieto. Yes, Shevon is a Jamaican Olympian. She was born in Jamaica and raised in New York. She is a former Olympian who happens to be an amazing singer and songwriter. Shevon is a two-time 400-meter hurdle runner. She has competed in 2 Olympic Games for Jamaica. She competed in 2004 in Athens, and then again in Beijing in 2008. She, however, ended her career in 2016 after her then boyfriend, who is now her husband, Jamie Nieto, was in an accident. Jamie is also an Olympian. He was a high jumper who competed for the United States of America. He competed in the 2004 Olympics as well as 2012 London Games. In 2016, while coaching Olympic hopefuls, Jamie foot slipped on a jump and he was injured. The accident left him paralyzed. Shevon indicated that she was getting ready for her 3rd Olympic Games and had to drop everything to be by Jamie's side. Prior to this, Shevon and Jamie had been dating for 3 years. They ended up getting married, and Jamie was able to walk down the aisles holding his wife's hand.
All the times you stood by me, all the truth that you made me see, all the joy you brought to my life, all the wrong that you made right, every dream you made come true, for the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up and never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak.
I wanna turn back time, send me some heartbreak. Or would you stay for let you in. I just like the way you are, yeah. All the ways you blow my mind, yeah. People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, and now I want it all. The way you move, I've been following every move you make, 'cause I love the way you make me move when I'm around you.
Shevon is a songwriter. You see, after Jamie's accident, Shevon started writing songs and singing them to her husband. She said it helped him to get through. And recently, a marvelous thing happened. Shevon performed one of her songs, Through the Good and the Bad, in her American Got Talent audition.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Shevon.
Where are you from, Shevon?
I was born in Jamaica. I grew up in New York, but I live here in California now.
Oh.
And then in 2016, I got a phone call that changed my life.
It breaks my heart every time I think about that.
But I said, I'm used to challenges.
Through the years that we've had,
Beautiful
All right,
moment.
if you-
It left almost everyone in tears. It was such an emotional moment because you could feel all the love coming out of that song which she wrote for her husband. After the performance, they had an announcement. Yes, Shevon and Jamie are expecting their first child. The two made the announcement moments after Shevon received a standing ovation from all four judges. Yes, this is indeed a love story, an inspirational story, and a story of strong will and resilience. After all, the young lady is a Jamaican, and we are strong, resilient people. So you go, Shevon. Whole Jamaica is rooting for you. We want you to go and take that title, girl, and all the best with your bundle of joy. We wish you a safe pregnancy and also a safe delivery. And we wish you and your husband long life, long love. And we hope to see him walking one of these days soon. God bless you, girl.